Well, guess I need a new pull rope. Alright, this is my recoil starter from the 2000 Mercury 25 horsepower two-stroke long shaft that broke on me while I was trying to start it. First thing I'm going to do is take this plate off and take it to my wire wheel and get all that extra scale off of there, because that's just going to create more problems. But everything else looks good. So yeah, it's a good thing I took that apart. There's definitely a bunch of corrosion and stuff built up inside. And I mean, gosh, paint's just coming off of this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that to the wire wheel, and then tons of corrosion on the bolts. Yeah, I'm gonna get that all cleaned up, start getting the rope out of there and replace it with a brand new rope. Alright, this is my first time ever even messing with any of these pull starters yet. Already got a pick. It's already burned. Make sure it's as small as I can get it. And then I run this through the hole here. I don't know if you can see that very well. Hole right there. And then through the out hole. What I'll do is push this excess into this cavity here. So it doesn't get caught on anything. And pull it tight. So what I think happened is when I was pulling the cord and it broke, I think it was halfway out, and I think it released all the tension on the spring, and now I think I can't get it to hook up to the spring again, so I'm probably gonna have to disconnect it, or else it would be able to get tension one way or the other. And right now I can't get tension. I think I released it. Yep. No, it's not reversed. Just have to hold it down. I don't want that spring coming loose. Looks like it's going to take this whole plate off. Spring there too. Okay. Of course, this thing's in the way. So now I gotta see what I have to connect it to. Maybe it grabs this piece here. Okay. So it has to fit in. See, there's a groove here. I believe that has to hit this mark right here. Groove here, here, and then the clip which catches here. So there's 3 grooves in this, the 2 on the sides, and then the one that catches the clip. So I need to line it up pretty perfectly before I can set it down that way, which looks like that's pretty lined up. Close, anyway. There we go. Now, let's put the spring back in. Alright, I finally got it to line up. Looks like it's holding, and it's holding the spring now. So I'm going to hold it in place, put the spring back in. Make sure you can see this. And then the plate back in. The spring end has to stay connected to its groove in the centerpiece. The spring is what's making it fun. Now that I got it in there all the way, I can put this back on. Go one time around. Release one revolution. Let's see if that's better. So, from what I've heard, there's supposed to be a bunch extra, but I'm just going to leave it for now. So, the problem, I need to tie a knot now. Not going anywhere. And I'll put it back in here. Actually, let's get rid of some of that. There we go. And then that slides right in here. There we go. Nice brand new rope. Oh yeah. Perfect. Alright, I cleaned up the plate pretty good. The wire wheel. Got as much rust and scale off as I could. Cleaned out the fuel filter really well. Nice and clean. I'm going to clean up these bolts next. Alright, I'm going to clean up the bolts. Here's one of them. Turn on my wire wheel here. Look at that. Feeling pretty good. Get the other one. Looks really good. So I have to take this apart again so I can get this plate back on there. This time I am going to use a clamp. So what I'm going to do is pull out some slack so I can retie it. Put the clamp on there so it will not move. And then I can get undo the knot again. So, set this in place. Something like that. Then we got to put this all through again. Stick this in through. Another tighten it back in here. I can release my clamp. Well, I'm going to put these screws through first. Make sure everything's lined up. A little bit of corrosion from going through the holes again. Can release the clamp now. Let me release. Don't see anything. Perfect. Of course, stupid lock again. Always a problem.